Welcome to my MoneyLion Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product can be found in the description below. MoneyLion is a comprehensive financial platform that not only helps you track and improve your credit score, but also provides a variety of financial tools to manage and grow your wealth. It is designed for individuals who want to take control of their credit and overall financial health, offering a straightforward way to monitor, manage, and improve your credit score with minimal effort. One of the standout features of MoneyLion is its free credit score monitoring. Upon signing up, users receive access to their credit score, which is updated regularly so you can track your progress. The tool provides detailed insights into the factors affecting your credit score, including payment history, credit utilization, and more, helping you identify areas for improvement. MoneyLion also offers personalized recommendations on how to boost your score, such as lowering credit card balances or making on-time payments, making it a hands-on tool for active credit management. MoneyLion's paid subscription options, like MoneyLion Plus, add even more value by offering credit-building loans, financial education, and even cashback rewards for certain activities. The platform's Credit Builder Loan is a unique feature that allows users to borrow a small amount of money that is placed into a savings account. As you make payments on the loan, MoneyLion reports your timely payments to the credit bureaus, helping to improve your credit score in the process. This makes it a great option for those looking to establish or rebuild their credit. What's great about MoneyLion is that it's an all-in-one tool that caters to anyone looking to improve their credit score, whether you're starting from scratch or working to rebuild after financial setbacks. It's user-friendly, offers a lot of value even with its free tier, and provides a clear pathway to better credit. In conclusion, MoneyLion is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to take charge of their credit score and improve their overall financial health. With its comprehensive features, ease of use, and actionable insights, it's definitely worth considering for anyone looking to make a positive impact on their credit. Be sure to check out the links in the description to get started today.